As a leader in the restoration industry, the services that Paul Davis provides are not limited to just water, fire, and mold remediation. With the emerging and growing concerns of the coronavirus, your local Paul Davis office has the necessary training, equipment, and materials to clean and apply disinfectants to your home or business. In the near future, you or someone you know may need various cleaning services. Upon contacting Paul Davis, our informed representative will begin to bring calmness to your concerns. One of our core serving basics is to educate, communicate, and collaborate with our customers. By answering your questions and providing critical information in your time of need, rest assured that Paul Davis is here to serve you. Once on site, our technicians will utilize the proper personal protection equipment, EPA-approved disinfectants, and industry-leading methods to remove potential harmful bacteria, pathogens, viruses, and disease-causing organisms. Attention to safety and detail cannot be overstated when combating microscopic organisms. Additionally, we have the ability to work closely with industrial hygienists and indoor environmental professionals to ensure that your home or place of business is free of microscopic dangers when our services are completed. By putting your trust in Paul Davis, we will work together to respect your property and your preferences. Whether it's water, fire, mold, storm, or any other disaster, we're available 24/7 to serve you in your time of need. This is no time for second best.